There are a lot of videos, reviews online that will prove that this is the best lineup pagdating sa CPU air cooler. That is not our topic today. Siningit ko lang dahil ito yung CPU cooler na ginamit ko. Di rin tayo sponsored. Pero sobrang tagal na rin kasi niyan. I just want to introduce to you guys kung anong pinakamaganda or pinaka-recommended na CPU air cooler. It is Noctua. We have here the RTX 3070 from Colorful, the RTX 3070 iGAME. Yan po yung ginamit natin with this PC build. RYZEN 5 5600X with the RTX 3070 and a comparison with RX 6800. Alright, so that's it mga kaibigan. Feel free to subscribe and let's check this video.
This video is brought to you by SCDKey, the best website that you may visit in terms of very affordable deals and best offer para sa application softwares, games, and yes, operating system. And there you are, you may check the Windows 10 Pro, and by using our promo code, ma-avail mo lang siya ng around $14.95 or 700 plus pesos. That's it mga kaibigan. Check the description below. May mga links po tayo dyan to go directly sa kanilang website.
Okay, so that is really very quick mga kaibigan. And I just want to show you guys how does it feel or how does it sound when building a gaming PC like this. And yes, before we will be jumping to the core components, makikita nyo that the chassis we use is the Cougar Blader X7. It is one of the new lineup of Cougar here in the Philippines. And yun po yung pinili kong chassis since I'm looking for a chassis na pwedeng mag-fit yung aking Noctua air cooler. Dahil medyo atat na akong gustong ipakita sa inyo or pasilip sa inyo ang ating Noctua NH-D15. Ayan, yan yung black variant. Normally, pagdating sa Noctua kasi dati, brown po. Kaya medyo napapa-atras yung iba. Kahit maganda yung performance, it doesn't suit pagdating sa color scheme. Nowadays, we have now the black variant, which is, ayun, pati yung fans black, everything is black. So, kung anong nagbago compared before, the performance na na-review with the NH-D15 is hindi pa rin nawala. It's still the same. Nagbago lang po yung kulay. And yes, that's why it's not relevant na kung gagawa pa tayo ng performance test dahil sobrang dami na. Pero maybe one of these days, if we will have this kind of topic na magko-compare tayo ng mga CPU air coolers, you will spot this always as the reference pagdating sa ating mga benchmark. And then moving on, the RAM that we use is the Tforce xCalibur. So this is one of the brand new RAMs in the market. Dati-rati hindi ganito yung design ng kanilang RAM na xCalibur, and it's now much improved with this year 2021. And then pagdating naman po sa ating motherboard, we have here the Asus ROG Strix. Ayon kung bakit ito yung po yung ginamit ko, I think this is the most suited motherboard that will complement the design of the iGAME RTX 3070 from Colorful. Okay, so moving on to the benchmark, RTX 3070 in this video is compared sa ating RX 6800. Dito po natin siya pinag-side-by-side comparison. So dito makikita natin na ito talaga yung mga model na pwede nating pagkumparahin. Since wala rin namang mas mababang variant ang AMD to compete the RTX 3070. Given na sobrang layo po ng pricing ng AMD RX 6800 kumpara sa RTX 3070. It is a 10K more or less difference here in the Philippines. And I think kahit sa ibang bansa, nandun din sa ganung gap. So skipping the details and specifications, alam kong marami na kayo nakita about those. Let's move on sa ating benchmark. Makikita nyo dyan mga kaibigan that Assassin's Creed, nasa 6800 yung advantage. And recently, when we check the benchmarks, most of the time, NVIDIA is always the winner pagdating sa Assassin's Creed Odyssey. And then followed by the Shadow of the Tomb Raider, Hitman 2, and Gears Tactics. Makikita nyo po dyan that the only time na nanalo ang ating RTX 3070 or at least close match yung naging kanilang laban at a 1440p resolution is only once over 3. So intentionally, hindi na rin ako nagdagdag pa ng mga marami pang benchmark graphs. What we will be talking here is the graph behind those bar graph na aking ginawa. Kasi nga alam naman na po natin that RX 6800 is really the winner over RTX 3070 pagdating sa FPS average. A lot of websites is already stating those numbers na para talaga sa RX 6800 and RTX 3070 is inferior. But the graph behind those bar graphs is telling us a bit different story for the advantage of RTX 3070. Makikita nyo po dito sa ating side-by-side na comparison. The reason kung bakit makikita nyo po doon sa ating previous graph that the 1% low is almost on par, even mas mataas yung average FPS ng 6800. Because kahit mas mababa ng gahibla yung RTX 3070, smooth gaming experience, the NVIDIA is still have it. Well, alam naman na po natin that when we turn on the ray tracing feature of the video card, sobrang baba or sobrang babagsak po yung performance. And the advantage of NVIDIA is the DLSS feature that will compensate para kahit papaano manu-neutralize. Para at least kahit naka-RTX on ka with a better gaming experience pagdating sa quality, hindi naman masyadong magsasuffer yung FPS mo. And yan yung wala po sa RX. Here is the thing. I'm not trying to convince you na you should buy RTX 3070 because of those reasons. You still have the choice. Kayo pa rin po yung magde-decide, kayo pa rin yung bibili. What I just want to say in here is, there is a reason to consider RTX 3070 and there is also a reason to consider RX 6800. Kasi alam naman na po natin that NVIDIA versus AMD pagdating sa software is sobrang mas mature ang NVIDIA software, kaya naman mas stable. Hindi pa natin dyan sinasama po yung streaming like the NVENC feature na mas matitake advantage mo kung streamer ka pagdating sa RTX. Well, there is a counterpart pagdating sa AMD, pero it's not that as good as dun sa NVIDIA. Alright, so that's it mga kaibigan. Feel free to subscribe for more videos. Comment down below. Hit like if you like this video. Linus yun ah. And that's it. Thank you so much.